Good morning, Year 6.
Morning, Year 6. We're still wearing it.
Still wearing these silly
Still
shirts.
doesn't feel right.
We thought this might be a funny one, maybe for Declan and for Mrs. Millgate. Parramatta, that's the joke.
You've got to say it in his
Okay, go. You do it.
Parramatta. That's the joke.
I didn't watch enough Simpsons to learn that one. All right, let's move into it. So literacy contract. This is going to be a really fast one today, Year 6. Literacy contract is just what we have been doing. Just make sure you're doing those star tasks. Make sure you're writing it down for us. Any questions, shoot them through. We'll answer them. Moving into our shared reading, again, it's very much the same. As I said yesterday, it's the same as what we have been doing. So we're going to be watching that book being read. And there's two different literary devices in this one. There's dialogue and characterization. And so we just want you to identify what dialogue you see in it and what characterization you are seeing within it. And again, we want you to evaluate the text for the younger children. So not just for you, but what did they do for the younger children? And we want you to evaluate that. Again, with our writing. So our writing, we're still using those pictures. We're still using those slides. Oh, there they are there. And we're just writing a short paragraph. Really thinking about our literary devices that we have been learning about, you have learnt about, and just include those and underline them so that we can see where you're using them. And remember, it's a quick write. It shouldn't be it shouldn't take you any more than about 10 minutes to write, 10, 15 minutes.
Yep.
Just doing a really quick thing. First thing that pops into your mind is what you should be writing.
Yeah, I think it's like what we want, 1 to 3 paragraphs, isn't it, Mrs. Moore?
Yeah, no more than that.
Yeah, 3 is a max.
Yeah.
All right, so that's going to take us into maths today. So we're going to continue to do some work on graphs today, but instead of doing regular column graphs, we're going to be looking at double column graphs and two-way tables. So the first thing, again, do your warm-up, do one activity, but then make sure you watch this video here. The YouTube link here is really important because I've made a video and it tells you exactly how to make a two-way table and how to make a double column graph based on the data that you're going to collect. So use these two websites here and you'll be able to collect information on different players that you would like to compare. I would like you guys to collect some information on number of tries, try assists, line breaks, line break assists, and number of offloads. And you can find that information on the players if you click and look through those two websites there. So once you've collected that information, using the Google Sheets that Mrs. Moore and I are going to post up to our Google Classroom, we want you guys to create a two-way table and then use that two-way table to create a double column graph. Now, if you are looking to extend yourself, read the extension prompt here, and we want you guys to do a little bit of evaluation on your data. So based off the data that you can see, which player, well, out of the two that you compared, which one do you believe is the better player, and tell us why you believe that based on the statistics that you've collected. If you have any questions about that though, ask at our 9:30 Zoom meeting and we'll go through it there as well. And then last thing for today is Drama with Mrs. Harmon. She'll post that at about 11:30 again. And yeah, that's Tuesday, done, dusted.
Excellent. All right, well, you have a great Tuesday, Year 6.
Once again, if you have any questions, email us, post in our Google Classroom, or ask them at our 9:30 Zoom meeting.
Yep. All right. Bye, Year 6.
Bye, guys.